Hi cuties, good morning to all da. See today in Max we are going to do book work, okay? See ma, take page number 36. Today we are going to learn money, okay? About money we are going to learn. Teacher, see, there is a primary school in our school also there is storeroom. You all know, no? Same like that in their school they have given a stationery stop, okay? Its name is stationery because many things are there, no? So it is stationery, okay? See in that what all is there? Pencils is there, exam pad is there, books is there, pen is there, then eraser, sharpener, everything is the paper, books, okay, globe, everything is there, okay. Okay, in our store now we'll go and get pencils, erasers, everything. No, so what you like? Everyone like to get pencils only, color pencils, yes or no? Now all take page number 37. Da, see coins, currency note that value. See 1 rupee coin, okay, 1 rupee currency notes. Currency note means that note 10 rupees, 20 rupees note all is there. No, that only. In the olden days there is 1 rupee note also, okay. You can see 1 rupee note and then 2 rupee coin, 2 rupee note, 5 rupee coin, 5 rupee note, 10 rupee coin. You don't know. Nowadays it's very famous. Then 10 rupee note. For 20 rupees there is no coin. The 20 rupee note is there. Okay. You all know this note. No, 5 rupees notes, 10 rupees note, 20 rupees note you will be seeing, but 1 rupee, 2 rupee is rare. Okay. So see that symbol down they have given one symbol. No, that symbol only rupee, Indian currency rupee. Okay. Now all take page number 38. The Pick the correct coin currency note of the object. See, first they have given for balloon 1 rupee. So, where is 1 rupee? In second place, 1 rupee is there, no? 5 rupee in center, 5 is there. Here, 1 is there. So, in that place, you have to tick. Then, sir, whistle 2 rupee. You all know 2 rupee note, 2 rupee coin is there, no? You can tick that. See down for that one, bumperum, they will tell no, for that 5 rupees. So, you know, no, 5 rupees note. Second place is there, no, green color. You have to tick that. Then for bubbles is there, no, that is 10 rupees. 10 rupee note, you know, no, ma. See in third place, first is 20 rupee, then 2 rupee, third only 10 rupee. Okay, in that place you can put tick. Then 20 rupees. 20 rupees, you can put tick for 20 rupees note. Second place, red color note is there, no, that only 20 rupees. Okay, now for that they will play music, no, for that one it is 10 rupees. Okay, so 10 rupees coin is there. See, you can put tick for 10 rupee coin. Okay, ma. Now take page number 39. Trace the coin and discuss what do you see in the traced image. See what you can do. Take 1 rupee. Okay. Down that take that paper down to that paper in that box center of the box you can keep the. See what you have to do means 1 rupee on the edge side. See this side one rupee is there, no, that only tail side. If you turn, no, that only edge side. There is one statue symbol will be. You can keep down. Then top of that you can color by keeping the pencil. You can slightly, okay, lightly you can color. Then same how that coin is there, same it will come trace here. Okay, I will do in the paper and so same you can do in the book. Okay, da. See, you have to save the money for your, then you can go and buy pencil, chocolate, or any birthday gifts for your mother, father, whatever. So whatever today they are giving now, you can save. You can keep a separate thing for your money. Okay, you can save the money. See now take page number 40. 10 in the different ways. We can learn 10 in the different ways. 1 rupee, 1 rupee, 1 rupee, 10. 1 rupee is there means 10. Then 2 rupees, how much you have to take? 5. 2 rupees means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Then 5 rupees note you can take 2, 5 plus 5, 10. Then 10 rupee note is there. 10 rupee coin is there. Okay, ma. See in page number 41. See, they match the object with their correct money value they have given. For banana, 8 rupees they have given. Okay. So where is 8 rupee? See in third place, 5 rupee coin is there, 2 rupee coin is there, 1 rupee coin is there. So 5, 6, 7, 8. From banana to this third, first 5 rupees coin is there, no? Third one. So you have to draw the line. Next, see, for cucumber, 5 rupees. Last one, see, they have given 2 rupees coin, 1 rupee, 1 rupee, 1 rupee. 2, 3, 4, 5. Cucumber to down, you have to draw the line. Then see 14 rupees for papaya. Okay. So from 14 to first one, 10 rupee coin is there, no? 10, 12, 13, 14, you have to draw a line. Then for gooseberry, 3 rupees. Okay. 2, 3. From gooseberry to there, you have to draw the line. Second one. Okay. Now take the required money to buy the object. Now it is 20 rupees. That bat is 20 rupees. So 10 rupees note and 10 rupees coin. You can tick that. 10 plus 10, 20. 10 rupees note and 10 rupees coin. Now for car, no, it is 12 rupees. So you can take 10 rupees down. That coin is there, no, 10. Then 2 rupees coin. 10 plus 2, 12. Okay. Then for ball, 7 rupees. Then 5 plus 2, 7 rupees. Okay. You can tick that 5 rupees coin. Then 2 rupees coin da. So 7 rupees. Okay, ma. Now all take your note da. You all take your note da. See in your note first write today's date ma. Then you have to write count by twos. Okay. Then write the continuous number 113, 14, 15, 16. Okay. See here 6. Then you have to leave one finger gap. Then comma, one finger gap. Then you have to put how many dash you know, no? 3 dash. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then 19. Okay, da same. Then 57. Then 73. Okay ma. See you know how to write. You have to take 2 fingers after 6, 7, 8. Here you have to write 8. Then 2 fingers, 9, 10. Okay. Yesterday, Monday we have saw no max homework same only. Okay, da. See now all take your note. I will show how to do that tracing the coin. Okay. Take one note. Okay. Then you have to take one coin. Then one pencil. Okay. See in coin. See you can see here is 1 rupee. No. See 1 rupee. No. That only tail. Okay. See this side. Okay. This only head. Okay, in that book first itself they have given tail, so you have to trace the head. Okay, so this is the book you think ma down, no, that box, no, then you can keep that coin down. See if you catch like this, the coin is showing, no da, so you have to catch like this ma. Then by keeping the pencil, see slightly you can scratch like this. See, you can see very well. Okay, down what the picture is there, same you can see here also. See, you can see. Okay, then this number also you can see 2009. Then India, everything it's showing. Okay, like this only you have to do. See down, coin is there. Okay, da. Then you have to keep down and you have to do same. This is 1 rupee coin ma. Same by keeping the 2 rupees coin, 5 rupees coin, how they are given in that book, you have to trace like this. Okay da. This only your book work. Okay ma, thank you. Ma'am will see you next class. Okay.